You don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first day of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. A Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Well, hello family. Welcome to Diaspora Diaries, where we explore the inspiring stories of talented Jamaicans living all over the globe. In this episode, we showcase Mr. G, a talented hardwood floor specialist living in New York. So, Mr. G, you are living in New York.
Yes.
Do you cater to only New Yorkers?
No. I've traveled as far as Atlanta to work. Yes.
Okay.
Presently I have a job to go do in Pittsburgh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you will go wherever the job takes
Wherever
you.
the job is.
All right. And in the previous video, you had also said that there is no job too small or too large. Does that still stand?
Still stands. Yes.
Okay. All right. So tell us, Mr. G, what made you start with the hardwood flooring?
Well, I used to have a cousin that used to be in the hardwood floor business. I used to travel back and forth from Jamaica. So whenever I come, I always go with him, and then I get to love it. So yeah, and I catch on really fast.
Yes.
Yes. So,
Yes. Okay. So you've been sticking to it.
Right.
All right. Mr. G, is there anything you want to say to persons who may be thinking of getting their floors done or have floors that they want to repair?
Yes, if you want to get your floors right, make sure you give me a call. No matter how it looks, I can bring it back. If you
Okay.
wanna replace, put new ones, I also can do it. Yes.
All right. What's your number, Mr. G?
It's 508-596-0867.
Okay, so guys, you will see the number on the screen. If you want to reach out to Mr. G, the number is on the screen. Give Mr. G a call. And as you can see from the videos here, these are some of the work that Mr. G has done. Guys, these are beautiful. I'm sure you will enjoy that. These are absolutely gorgeous. Give Mr. G a call, guys. No matter where you are, Mr. G is the man for the job. Mr. G, thank you so very much for talking with us today.
Yes, you're welcome.
All right. Thank you.